heterogeneous mixture. Now we are discussing about the element. So element means, so we will discuss about first the pure substance. What is the difference between the mixture and pure substance? Most important. In mixture, ratio of component it is not fixed. You can add tea, you can add 1 spoon tea dust, you can add 2 spoon tea dust, you can add 2 teaspoon sugar. There is no any fixed ratio to make tea. So ratio of component is not fixed, that is mixture, and ratio of component is fixed, then it is pure substance. That is the most important difference. Suppose we are having example of glucose. Glucose having C6H12 and O6. Ratio of component of carbon are 6, hydrogen are 12 and oxygen are 6. If you are taking example of H2O, means there are 2 atoms of H and 1 atoms of O. This is the pure substance. Example of pure substance. Now, what is the element? Element contains the same atoms. Suppose we are having carbon, carbon is element, hydrogen is element, nitrogen is element. You have studied first 20 number of atoms. These all atoms are elements. Copper is elements. One copper element containing the same component of copper. So elements containing the same molecule same atoms or molecule. Suppose we are having O2. O2 is the molecule, but O2 containing 2 same atoms of oxygen. Suppose we are having H2, then H2 means what? 2 same atoms which form molecule. So atoms or molecules are the example of elements. If want to prepare O2, then H2, suppose H2, then H plus H, we are having molecule H2. This is the molecule H2. આ છે atom H, atom H, atom H, and molecule H2. Same we are having 2 atom O, atom O plus atom O, we are having O2 molecule, atom O, oxygen. Atom oxygen and molecule O2. So these all are example of elements. Elements contain the same atom or single atom or it is in form of molecule. These are the example of elements. Now, what is compound? Compound means composition of 2 or more different element or molecule. Suppose we are explaining H2O. H2O is the compound in which 2 atoms of hydrogen is present and 1 atom is oxygen is present. You kindly concentrate. Element means the same atom or the composition of 2 or more same atom while compound is the composition of two different atoms. Suppose example of H2SO4. This is the compound which containing two atoms of hydrogen, one atom of sulfur and four atoms of oxygen. These all are the example of compound. Most important one thing, when compound is formed, identical property of atom is lost. A new type of property is obtained. Suppose in water molecule it is compound, there are two types of different atom present, hydrogen and oxygen. Both are in gaseous form when it is available separately, but water is formed, then it is in liquid form. So physical property of hydrogen and oxygen is lost, which is in gaseous form. When compound is formed, its own identical property, gaseous, is lost. Again, hydrogen particularly property, it is having pop sound, means it is explosive. Separately, hydrogen is explosive gas having pop sound. Oxygen is the supporter of combustion reaction. Oxygen is supporter of combustion reaction. While water is formed, it is fire extinguisher. So separate identical property of hydrogen is lost, separate identical property of oxygen is lost. A new type of properties obtained, that is fire extinguisher. Hydrogen is explosive having pop sound. Oxygen is supporter of combustion reaction. Separately, hydrogen is in gaseous form, oxygen is in gaseous form. When H2O is formed, it is in liquid form, so property is lost. Again, hydrogen's identical property is pop sound, explosive, while oxygen is supporter of combustion reaction. When water is formed, it is fire extinguisher. So these are the very most important different to be understood. So our very most important topic we have completed. You just write twice, thrice and repeat my video lecture twice, thrice, and you have to send me homework 2 times. Thank you very much.